Hello, and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. I actually have a huge Funko box. It's like a 10-pound box. Why? Because they had a pretty crazy Cyber Monday sale. I was scrolling through some of the items. If you haven't seen some of our recent videos, I've done a couple ones where we've opened some Funko Sodas, so we'll put the link to one of those above, and just a couple of our other random hauls. We have been getting more into pops and just pins and other things too, so couldn't resist the Funko sale for Cyber Monday. Some of the sodas were like $6 or under. There were a bunch that were like $7 to $10, and normally they're $15 or above. Same thing with pops. There were some like $4 and $5 pops. There have been a lot of crazy sales lately, so definitely taking advantage of those. And I'm super excited to open this box here, so let's do it. And so in the box, there are a few pops, a few sodas, and a couple other like bigger pop display things, I think. I'm not even too sure. I was just so excited when I was ordering stuff. So it looks like the first thing we find wrapped up in bubble wrap is, I ordered this, I thought it was so cute, Chip 'n Dale's Christmas Treasures card game. I'm not exactly sure how you play it or anything, but it looks like it's a card game and you flip them and they've got really cute images on it. This was on sale for, I hope I have a screenshot so I can throw it in here, but I think it was like $3 for this card game. And it's like an official Funko Chip 'n Dale super cute game, so how could I resist? Like, even just for the Chip 'n Dale collection, or maybe me and Jamie will actually try to play this, who knows, it could be so much fun. So it looks like right here in this little package I got the 3 sodas that I ordered. I'll quick show what they are, but I think I'm actually going to save the sodas for last because they're so exciting to open and see if you get the chase, so we'll kind of save that excitement for the end. Luke Skywalker, this is actually from the 2022 Galactic Convention, so it's a convention item and it does have a chase as well. We got Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy. This one does have a chase as well. He's like holding a cassette player and playing a tape, and I really want the chase for this one. This was also a Summer Convention limited edition from 2022. And then this one I'm super excited for. This one's from the 2022 D23 Expo, and it is the PhilharMagic Mickey Mouse. And the chase for this one is actually almost kind of like a diamond version where it's sparkly, and I think he's got a blue jacket. So I really, of any of them, if I could get the chase, this is the one that I would love. So we're gonna get to these at the end, so stay tuned. In the middle of this box, you can see they put like the bigger pops, the kind of like bigger display ones in the middle, and then the smaller ones on the side. So let's just do it. Let's look at the big ones. So first we've got Arthur from The Sword in the Stone actually pulling out Excalibur from the stone. This is a 2021 Fall Convention limited edition exclusive, and this one was on sale. This big pop, like it's a pretty big pop. It's as big as my head. It's a really cool display piece. This pop was on sale for like $5. I hope I have a screenshot too, or can show you the exact price. I'll throw in just like a screenshot of my order, and the prices, like they were honestly so cheap and crazy. That's why I kind of went nuts a little bit, and honestly I feel like I went nuts, but I spent like $50, so definitely a really good haul. But I love this one. It kind of reminds me of Disney World pulling the sword from the stone, and it's just really cool being like a Disney exclusive, deluxe pop, and kind of a convention exclusive, and getting it super cheap on that sale. So let me know what you think of this one. Next from the bigger pops, Captain Hook on Peter Pan's Flight. This one is the exact same size as the Arthur. It's about the size of my head, and he's super cool. He's sitting in one of the little ships for Peter Pan's Flight, and Captain Hook looks so funny. And this is actually a pretty big pop, and I love it because it is Disney World 50th branded too. You got it on the back there as well. It's so cool. So this is another deluxe pop, Captain Hook at the Peter Pan's Flight attraction. I love this one. Oh, wait, sorry, this one is actually a Pop Rides. I didn't know there was a difference. I think we might have another Pop Rides coming though, so we'll see. But this one was originally I think $35 or $40, and it was marked down to $9 for Cyber Monday for this big giant Disney World 50th Captain Hook Pop Rides. So how could I not? Between those two big, like the Pop Deluxe and the Pop Rides, the Arthur with the Sword in the Stone, and Captain Hook riding Peter Pan's Flight, let me know which of those you like better. Oh, and I actually love this. It looks like they sent a bunch of these pops in like little protector cardboards to keep them safe. That's so nice. I mean, even especially on like a Cyber Monday discount order, this one's really cool. So I actually asked Jamie, I was torn between a couple of villains and other ones when I was placing my order, and I was like, what do you think would be the coolest? And Jamie voted this one, and I also kind of agreed. I thought it was really cool. This is the Maleficent one, and she actually has Diaval there too, and it's just really cool. I like this one. No like special convention sticker for this one or anything, but it was marked down as well to like $4 or $5, so it's absolutely a super cool piece for any Sleeping Beauty or Maleficent fan, any Disney fan. This is definitely gonna go like eventually on a really cool display with hopefully some backpacks and other things for Sleeping Beauty, and should be really cool. We've got another pop in a nice kind of cardboard, almost like protective case. This one is actually labeled too specifically for what it is, so I know which one this is gonna be. I'm excited for this one too. So this is part of the Disney Ultimate Princess line. They did a bunch of there were backpacks, lounge flies, pins on Shop Disney, other things too, just a bunch of designs for this Ultimate Princess collection. And so this is the Rapunzel pop from that collection, and it actually comes with a pin too. So these were kind of marketed and branded as like pop and pin type things, like a little bit of a combo. Pin is actually kind of hidden there behind the sticker, so it's hard to see, but I'll throw like a photo into of the stock image so you can kind of tell. But this is a Funko.com exclusive. There are a bunch of the other princesses too, but again, I sent Jamie a few options and she voted for Rapunzel, and I also agreed. But there's some of the others that you can get too, and they all do come with pins in this little set, so it's just a super cool pop. I really like this one. I know Jamie's gonna like this one too. And then these ones came in like a multi-pop box. I honestly don't remember what these are. I guess we're gonna find out. What a strange shape, like specifically formed and fitted for 3 pops, I think. Yeah, very weird box, but okay, here we go. Look at that. It's a 3-pop box, I suppose. We've got Minnie Mouse on the People Mover, Cogsworth in I think a blueberry cobbler pan, and then Elle Woods with Bruiser. I don't know, I'll throw like Jamie's Instagram picture in here. She actually did for a costume one year for Halloween, Elle Woods with Bruiser, so I kind of bought this pop for her. It's gonna be a little bit of a surprise. I think she'll like it. It was on sale for, I think, like $3 or under. It was like $3 or $4, so it was just definitely a must buy. So let's take a look at each of them. So Minnie Mouse on the People Mover. This is another Disney 50th one. It's super cool. I thought it was a Pop Rides, but turns out it's not, even though she is on a ride. I don't really understand the distinction between those. Maybe just the bigger ones are Pop Rides, but again, branded for the Disney 50th, and you do have other People Mover characters, so eventually we would like to get them all, but this one was on sale and discounted for Cyber Monday, and I just really like, you know, like a People Mover pop in general, so I thought this was super cool. Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast. It looks like he is also a Funko.com exclusive. Yeah, I think he's in a blueberry cobbler pan. This one actually, so seeing it now, I didn't really think about this when I was opening it, but this was one of the ones that the pop had a chance to have a chase. So you could actually get like a gray Cogsworth, and that was the chase. So I just got the normal one, but that's okay. I mean, honestly, getting the chase is cool, but for this one in particular, I like the color of the normal pop better, so I'm really okay with either. And then there's kind of the whole collection for this. It's the Beauty and the Beast 30-year anniversary as well. So that's kind of what that collection's for. I just thought it was really funny that he's like in a blueberry cobbler and popping out. And then here's that other one, that Elle Woods with Bruiser. So Bruiser looks really cute there. It's honestly just a pretty fun pop. It looks almost exactly like the costume that Jamie had. So that's all the pops. And I guess now we've actually looked at all the items, but we do still have the sodas to open. So I guess so far, let me know in the comments which of the pops you've liked the best, and which of the big pops between the Pop Rides and the Pop Deluxe you liked. I'm curious to know your thoughts. And now let's do it. We're gonna dive into the sodas. These are so much fun. If you don't know about Funko Sodas, they're little collectible figurines that come in cans. They're super cool, and you have a chance to find the chase in here, and it's always so exciting getting the chase. I've done a couple of these, and now I'm kind of like addicted to them. Like, I really want to get more sodas. They're some of my favorites, honestly. I think I like them better than Pops, and they were discounted, so we're gonna do it. I think I'm gonna start with Luke Skywalker, actually. I'm gonna go in the order of the ones that I'm kind of like most excited about. This Luke Skywalker one, I like it. It's not my favorite. I think I like Star-Lord and the PhilharMagic Mickey Mouse better, so, and those are the ones that I would rather have the chases of, so let's see. I got the wrapping off. I'm about ready to dive into Luke Skywalker. Will we get the chase? So this one too, they're always like numbered, how many total are made of the general version, so there's 19,000 total, and then we'll see out of those how many are chase pieces and normal pieces once we get it open. And this one is a 2022 Galactic Convention exclusive. Okay, so there's always a bag too, and so if you like don't look at the bottom and just open the bag slowly, you can kind of wait to see if you got the chase. Or in the bottom of the can underneath this, there's always like a little, it's like a cardboard circular tab, and if you look at it, it'll tell you which version you got. So it's kind of hard for me to not look at the cardboard tab, but I'm gonna wait. I didn't look at it. We're gonna open it. So it looks like the normal version is him holding a lightsaber. I don't remember what the chase for this one is. We're gonna find out. I think I got the normal one. I'll go ahead and throw a photo from like the website of what the chase would have been in here. This is pretty funny. This one's actually a bobblehead, so that's so cool. It's a Luke Skywalker Funko Soda bobblehead. I love that. And he's on a really cool like Star Wars pedestal. I like this one a lot. He's cool. And yeah, so here is what the little cardboard looks like. So it says what it is, and it says out of how many it is. So it looks like the regular, there were 15,800 made. So whatever the difference between that and 19,000 is would be how many chases there are made. Like 3,200, I believe. Chase would have been really cool to get for this one. It's usually like a 1 in 6 chance of the odds for the chase. Oh, and on the back too, it does have a picture of Luke Skywalker, so that's kind of cool. Next we're gonna do Star-Lord. And this one is a summer 2022 convention exclusive. And this one is limited to 15,000 pieces, so we're gonna see what we get. This one is a really cool chase. I would really like to get the chase for this one. He has headphones on instead of holding like guns. I'm not gonna look at the coin again. Where's this thing? All right. I got the chase! I'm not even kidding. I couldn't tell at first, but wow. Okay, I'm so excited. Look at that. He's holding the cassette tape. So this is a really cool example too, because we actually get to show off a chase. And check that out. So you can see too, if you look at on the back, there's what the normal Funko Soda looks like. So he's got the guns held up. And then here is the chase version where he's holding that tape. And I love that. I'm so excited about this. And so now we can look too. Ba-da-da! You found the chase. It's always so excited. So this is one of just 2,500 of these chase versions made. And on the back we've got Star-Lord there. Oh, I love this one. So it's Star-Lord unmasked with the cassette player. Wow. Perfect to get me excited for riding Cosmic Rewind the next time we go to Disney. And the last one of the sodas, the one that I'm so excited for, PhilharMagic Mickey Mouse. This is the one that I would most like to get the chase of, but also it's just, I think, my favorite in general, so even if I don't get the chase, I love this one. So this one too is another 15,000 pieces made, so I believe the chase would also be 1 out of 2,500, and it's like a sparkly blue, so let's do it. I'm not gonna look at the coin again. Oh, he's so cute. So it's just the normal one, it's not the chase, which is totally fine with me. I'm super happy about this one either way. Look at him, he's awesome. PhilharMagic Mickey Mouse, the Funko Soda. I'm like so tempted to get another one of these to try for the chase version though, because I love this and I really wish that I could get the chase. It's so cool. Let's take a look at his little coin as well. So this version is 1 of 12,500. And there's his little image there. So I love him. I love all the little sodas. The sodas are so much fun. These are like my favorite. So let's quick take a look back at all the items.
So look at that. I made a little Christmas tree on the box out of all the pops and the sodas. How nifty. We can quick take a look. We got the 3 sodas, of course, that Chase Star-Lord, the 2 big pops, all the other pops, and the Chip 'n Dale card game. So let me know in the comments which is your favorite item from this haul. Or let me know which is your favorite of the sodas or the pops, or if any of you have played this Chip 'n Dale card game, let me know.
Well, I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun getting to kind of see this huge pop haul, getting to build the pop mystery, I suppose, for 2022 holiday season with all these fun Disney and more pops. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up because it does really help us. Let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite, if you scored anything from the Funko Cyber Monday sale. There are actually still a lot of really great sales going on, so I'll throw a couple links in the descriptions to some different sales and pop events kind of going on. And also if you have any questions or are looking for any, let me know and I can try to help out and look for them or see if I can find any sales from the sites I typically look at. But this was a lot of fun. So if you like seeing kind of like pop hauls, we do a lot of Lounge Fly videos too, Disney Parks videos. I'm hopefully planning and announcing another Disney trip soon or some more travel in the future, just a lot of other general travel vlogs. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell button so you can be notified every single time that we post a new video, because we're gonna have a lot of content coming even through the end of this year and then into 2023 as well. So do make sure to follow along with kind of all of our adventures, and as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney and we will see you real soon. Bye.